So we start off today's video with this very chic pixie bob style. This haircut is absolutely amazing. She looks beautiful, and this is one of the hottest hair trends that we're going to be seeing this fall season. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some hot hair ideas that you can try this fall 2023. Here we see someone with gorgeous red hair. Followed by this money piece highlight look. So she goes with like this hot pink in the front and then more of like a cherry red shade in the back. Loving the color combo. And then we have someone wearing a shaggy style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have another color transformation for the next hairstyle. This one will also feature the money piece highlight trend. So she ended up getting red in the front and then more of like a black, and then it moved into another red hue in the back. And then we have someone else trying out a shaggy style. Beautiful face framing bangs. Very nice. She actually got some baby bangs with this cut. So here we have someone rocking out a gorgeous copper. I love the shade work on this style, and the cut features this amazing layered look, followed by someone rocking ash blonde hair and layers. And then we see a rather unique hairstyle. Beautiful pop of neon going here. And I love the cut. It's kind of like a mullet, shaggy style variation. And then we move into another mullet transformation. nice mullet style. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, and I will see you in the next one.